Ozginagina qoldi. Ishqilib Batistuzda tushsin deb bittagina o'yin. Hal qiluvchi o'yin. 4 marta yutqizganman, 3 marta yutqanman. Xullas, barchaga salom do'stlar, sizlar bilan Reta tog'a. Bugun do'stlar Dilis o'ynaymiz. Bugun Dilisda o'ynashimizdan maqsad mana bu klassik playerni ochish. Bo'lsam, let's go. Valverde, De Bruyne.
Well, it's 4-3-3. The wide fullbacks and forwards will be key to their attack today. Vinicius Junior. The players using his pace. Here's his chance. Now it's Vinicius. He's got the ball and is in full sprint. What an opportunity! He just couldn't keep it down. That was the first shot today. They'll hope they can do better later on. Makes the pass. He's moving fast with the ball. Now Diaz. An expert tackle. Vinicius Junior. Gabriel. Bellingham with the ball. The fans are on their feet. Oh, how unlucky. Played out of defence. Their passing has been so accurate. He's darting forward. He's speeding ahead. He's running at the opposition. What will he try?
Courtois.
Can anyone get on the end of this one? Headed effort, but well wide of the margin. No pressure here. They're firmly in control.
Haaland. Yeah.
Oh,
Go.
Haaland. Let's see the build-up which led to the goal. So the whistle's gone, 1-0 so far, just a single goal, but the fans will be hoping to see more. A long-distance pass. A misplaced pass. He steps up to steal the ball. He's racing ahead with the ball. A golden chance.
Go.
Oh, there's no stopping that. 2 goals today from this exciting player. Here's a replay of that great goal. Bruno Fernandes.
Keldingmi Miko?
This is Haaland.
Miko klassik player chaqiramiz. Deyarli keldi.
Really good possession here. Dembele driving forward.
Sen nima oldi?
Known to be taken on the touchline.
Kenji.
Will we see some subs introduced? They want to add to their lead here. He's just
Offside
inside
taqib
that
ketibdi.
move. It's offside.
Oddiy o'ynadilar.
Holds the ball forward. This is Haaland.
Gabriel
It's
Gabriel.
opened up. They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure.
Böyle. Vah.
He goes
Voy,
for it.
urdu da.
Oh, we won't tire of seeing that one again. Great stuff. Here's Dembele.
Demeli.
Osman.
He's up to full speed now.
Aa, kaç dikili mi abi?
Hmm.
It looks like they're going to win the game.
Hmm.
Açan gelecek.
He's got control of the ball.
Ancha bo'ldi menga.
Olmayın mı gelirse?
He wins the aerial duel.
Ha?
Deniz oynamayın mı?
O'ynadim.
Her ne
Dembele
oynuyor?
driving forward.
Voy, ichak ichdim-da.
Pedri in possession and moving forward at pace. Diaz
Yeah.
tackles.
Keyin o'xshamayapti.
Great dribbling. Gabriel.
Oh, Haaland ketkazib bilgan ajoyib pas. Go.
It's in. The
Chiquita.
game is surely wrapped up now.
Endi 90-daqiqada bitta gol urdim-da.
On the score sheet. Can that spur him to get
2-1 ga tortdim. 254. Obika chaqiramiz. Ana. Mana xoya. Bika.
Точно Hagel'in.
Kim keldi? Kim tushsa noma'lum endi. Rasmga tushirib olamiz. Bizga addishi kerak bo'ladi. Rasmni olsin qani. Lukaku kelibdi. O'rtadan kelib sotib olish kerak ekanda.
Foto?
Bo'yi 1.97 ekan. Bo'yi. O'rtadan kuchaytiramiz.
Aa, uzun küçük.
Yomon da olisin ham. Xo'p, uka.
Давай.
Qara. Nima qilaveramiz? Dayamsan? Ber.
To'xta da bunga.
Hı.
Argentina, Fransiya mı?
Ha, to'xta, ular bosma. Ular tushib qolishi mumkin-da. Mana shunaqa rejim bor-da. Tayyormisan? Argentina, Fransiya,
Argentina, Fransiya.
bosdik. Yomon kutgan damlar. Ya, Dizali tushdi. Bildim, bu mag'rur. Qora negir-ku.
Shu tushdi.
Ha? Bitta orada shu qora negir shu yetdi.
Bora tamam.
Ye, billa.
Bitti mi?
He is.
84.
He is one of the greats. This is a real statement signing.
Dizali tushdi. Lekin bo'lar-ku, endi bo'lmaydi-da.
Bo'lmaydi ku.
Shunchaki ketdi-da.
Qachon bo'lasan keyingi?
Mana 60
Brezilyalikdan oldim.
62dan 115 ta. Taxoya bor beka hali. Mana shu tushdi-da bizga. Mana endi bor. Batistuta tushganda zo'r bo'lardi-da. Mana buni ham o'ynashimiz kerak. Xullas, obunachilar, like bosib, kanalga obuna bo'lib qo'yinglar. Sizlar bilan Rita tog'a kanali bo'ldi.